Another Jordan Smith production, homie. Haha. AKA Kid.
Ain't nothing in this house. Every time I come in the kitchen, you in the kitchen. In the goddamn refrigerator. Eating up all the food. All the chicken. All the pig feet. All the collard greens. All the hog maws. I want to eat some of them chitlins. I love pig feet. Now, when I went to bed last night, didn't I tell you to take out the trash? Yeah? So why'd you do it? I fell asleep. I wish you were sleeping right now. I'll knock you upside your head
with a right hook.
Make your